It's been a while since I've been here in YouTube and pagpasensya niyo na kung ganito pa yung itsura ko. Kakagising ko lang and sinuklay ko rin yung curls ko kaya ganyan, medyo buhagag siya. But anyway, today is Sunday and we are going to celebrate our 7th anniversary. Me and Runil, I mean. Actually, long overdue na siya kasi January 1st talaga yung anniversary namin dalawa. Pero alam niyo naman, New Year festivities. So, we were pretty occupied sa event na yon. I mean, event. Hindi naman event ng New Year. But anyway, so, after ng 1 month, so, ngayon namin siya is-celebrate. Today is February 1, Sunday. And after that, mag-grocery kami sa SM and SNR para naman productive pa rin yung araw namin, hindi lang pagkilig-kilig at date yung atupagin. Pero before that, nag-a-attend muna tayo ng mass sa church. Actually, 10 a.m. yung mass, so I'm running late na. Kaya, ayun, see you later. We're just going to wait for the mass to start. After this, we're going to head out na for the anniversary lunch date. I'm so excited. We'll see you there later.
Hot po, yung Spanish. Hot yung Spanish. Yung matcha. Medyo may customize yung mismo. Wala.
Thank you. Sarap dito. Medyo pricey lang pero worth it naman yung price. Tsaka maganda yung ambience ng place. First time namin dito. Nakita lang daw ni Unil sa... Saan mo nakita? Sa Facebook. Okay naman. Pero I think kailangan may sasakyan kayo kasi parang medyo nasa looban siya eh. Yung order namin is chicken biryani, tapos usugo ko and beef carbonara. Asang authentic naman. In fairness. This is our grocery list for today. Medyo marami-rami to, kaya let's go before pa tayo abutin ng gabi.
Ibang minute din oh. Girl,
Ako kumakain naman ako, no?
Especially your bags, cell phones, and
kain na ba? 75 plus. Okay ba ang dito? Hello.
We're finally done here. We're just going to drop by sa Pet Express para sa key balls and vitamins ng mga for kids. Then, SNR na tayo agad. Ay, out of stock yung oil na kinukuha namin dito. Try namin tong color blue, yung low fat nila, if okay lang. Since sa coffee lang naman namin siya ginagamit.
Tanong ako. Ayun. Ha?
Ooh, this one's half the price. Kuha tayo isa. Tingnan natin if okay yung lasa.
Ano lang?
I'm gonna get 2 of this mango juice since this is my favorite. Hindi nawawala sa grocery list natin to. It's so expensive. Kaya lang wala kasi yung usual namin na lotion eh.
87.45.
Hi guys, it's me again popping up. So, we got home about 2 hours ago. Nakaligo na rin ako after kong itabi yung mga pinamili natin kanina. I felt like today is very tiring, but I'm beyond grateful and happy at the same time too. Especially na kasama ko na ulit kayo ngayon here sa YouTube. And I just want to take this moment to say thank you and I really appreciate each and every one of you na andito pa rin. Thank you for showing your love and support to me and my growing channel. You just don't know how much it means to me. Lahat ng positive comments niyo, lahat ng like, lahat ng view count. It gives me the motivation to keep on going on days that I felt like hindi para sa akin yung YouTube. Kasi minsan talaga nakakapanlumo yung mga resulta, especially the numbers on the views, but lahat ng love nyo, yun yung nagbibigay sa akin ng push to keep on going. So, seriously, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope to see you on my next vlog. Bye for now. See you soon.